In winter, the porch was light-starved and goosebump cold. We sat in the kitchen, fire snapping and fizzing, while Dog sat on the porch, whining to be let in. Each morning, I'd open the door, and she'd knock me down and lick my face. In summer, Dog thought she was a cat, chasing sparrows across the lawn and trying to climb trees. One morning, I opened the door, and Dog was lying on her side with her legs poking out. I heard the sound of Dad chopping into the lawn, the swish of earth sliding off his spade. "Drag her over," he said. Her stiff legs made good handles, but I was half out of my body with shock. Dad rolled Dog into the hole, testing the fit with his gumboot. Something whooshed out, a fleeting pressure against my face, one cold kiss.